So I got something in the mail today. Huh? You still can't tell what it is. It is the Cardo PackTalk Edge. So it's a duo pack, so there's 2 of them in here. So I think we should open it and play with it. What do you think? Yes. Look at the back. 2nd generation dynamic mesh communication. Air mount. Natural voice operations. Waterproof. Universal Bluetooth intercom. Over-the-air software update. So 13-hour battery life. You know, kind of cool. 2 different channels you can hook to with Bluetooth. So, you know, phone, GPS if you want to. Sound by JBL. 1,600 meters with 15 different people. 13-hour battery life. I don't know what that symbol means. Look what else it says on the box. Bluetooth 5.2. Operated by natural voice. Dynamic mesh. Sound by JBL. So yeah, real quick, the reason that I went with Cardo, I actually have a Schuberth C5 Globe that actually comes with a lot of the stuff for the Senna SC2 pre-installed. And it's, you know, it all integrates, which is all really cool and all. But when you read the reviews on the Senna, it's just garbage. Everybody hates it. And it costs, you know, 2/3 as much as this does. And, you know, you just get one. So this one, you know, I ended up getting 2. Because Mrs. MotoTales needs one. So that's the actual unit. That's the business end right there. That's all there is to it. Little twisty wheel. Alright, so we should probably dig around in here and find some destructions. Oh, a sticker. You always need a sticker. Start here before using your unit. Download the Cardo Connect app and follow the on-screen instructions to update the latest software. Alright. So, we'll do that later. How's this say? Thank you for your purchase. Okay. I'm going to guess that this is important information, because it says important information. Safety, compliance, and warranty. That can wait. Installation guide. That seems important. This should be fun, because I have to take out what is already in my helmet. Because as I said, it's already got stuff in it. Unless it'll hook up to this, which I'm sure it won't, because that would be completely unfair. Pocket guide. Oh, I have 2 pocket guides. Cool. And a fancy little box for one of them. So I'll probably just leave. I'll get one of them out of the way for right now. We're just going to look at one of them. So this unit is not cheap. It's actually one of the more expensive ones out there. I really hate to say how much I did end up paying for this. But it's supposed to be very good, and that's what I wanted. So if it works very well, then it was worth it. The speakers that go in the helmet eventually. Little Velcro-y things on the back. I'm assuming this looks like the actual mount. Some stiff. It's the Velcro things to put inside the helmet for the, you know, hook the speakers to. Some kind of little clip. I'm assuming this is going to be the microphone, and this is going to be the mount for the helmet. Where's this? Actually, I don't know what this is. Looks like it lines up to this thing. Which, I don't know, we'll look at the directions. So there's the actual mount thing, though. So it's supposed to be magnetic, which I think is really cool. Oh yeah, you could definitely tell. Watch how fast that snaps into place. Good Lord, how do you get it out of there? Somebody should have read the instructions. Okay, so apparently you put this in and then you never take it out again. Yeah, that's not coming out. Oh, there it goes. Nope. Oh shoot, I just turned it on. I didn't mean to do that. Alright, so I'm going to leave that in there before I break it. Charging cord, C-type, which is good. Turn off. No, turn off. Okay, that's not working. Alright, so I probably should have read some instructions. I'll be back. Alright, so in trying to turn it off, I turned it into a disco tech. I think it's trying to pair or something. You can't really quite figure out how to turn it off. Oh, okay. So both of them are required to turn it on and off. That's weird. Ah, look what I figured out. So it magnets in there, which is really cool, but it doesn't come back this way. To take it out, you push this side down and push it forward. Oh, it's still not easy though. Come on. You worked a minute ago, damn it. There, oh, whoops, there it went. Alright, so there's that. So yeah, there's a video here, so I'm probably going to watch that, and we'll see what's up. We'll see what's up with that. Ah, yes. The beauty of the internet. These I was a little confused about, but what they actually are, they're just spacers. In case you need to get in case you want your speakers out a little bit closer to your ear, you put those in there and then you stick them to that, and there you go. Oh, that was kind of cool. Things first, I probably need to take this out for the time being. This is the microphone hookup for the videos that you guys watch, where I'm talking about stuff that's super interesting, in theory. It's kind of wedged underneath here. I never thought I'd have to take it back out. So, there we go. Alright, so that's out. That should be a lot of fun to get back in. Oh, there we go. Ugh, I'm gonna have to put this whole helmet back together again. I hate that. Or let's get the speakers in. I don't know if you can see this well. I don't know how well you can really see this or not. This might be trying to get some more light in there for you guys. That stuff all in the way. So I've got a little channel for that wire to run through, so I'm trying to get it lined up with that so I can utilize that channel. There we go. Pop in there, baby. Good job. There's that. And there's that. Hold on a minute. I gotta find something. Find something pokey. And I can't see anything, so I know y'all can't see anything. You're supposed to be down in there, but you won't do it. Alright, so I think that's pretty much got that. That was super easy. Now, the next thing is I have to get this in there somewhere. And it has two little Velcro sticky things that come with it. The trick is finding out where to put it to where it's not going to be in my way all the time. Looks more or less correct. How does this work? Looks like that, I think. Yeah, it works like that. And then the whole thing is going to go just like that. So, but first, I guess what I probably need to do is get that put on. So I'm going to take this off somehow. I only get one shot at this. Make it a good one. That's pretty much what I had. So, alright, that's done. So I hope it was right. And the biggest thing is I've got to get rid of all these friggin' wires. I cannot stand all these wires. And I don't know why they didn't use something smaller than that. Look at that. I have to figure out where to put that. This is for the mic. So I'm going to do that in a minute. So now I have a butter knife. I'm trying to gently push this back up in there. Now if I can get this neck roll back in, I might have a chance at this. I have to have a damn PhD in something to do this. Okay, so that's hooked in. That seems to be back in there correctly. I can slide this back in there if it would stay, but I'm sure it's not going to. I can't see a squabby thing. Yeah, the hardest part about this is definitely going to be getting the helmet back together. This is a nightmare. There we go. That tucked back in there nicely. Alright, I'm proud of you, little wire. Good job. Alright, this is looking pretty good. So this should work pretty good, I believe. Alright, so now let's do the fun part. Let's install the app and see if we can get it to work. So yeah, I'm probably going to get off here and start reading the owner's manual a little bit, try to figure some stuff out. And, you know, I'll let you know how it goes. If I find anything truly interesting, I'll holler at you.